a year-long deployment in Kuwait and Iraq. Come here.
This is Blake. He is his dad, and he just came home from Kuwait for helping serve our country, so let's give him a round of applause.
Come here.
Okay.
I'm nervous because I don't know what his reaction is going to be. Maybe he'll cry, but then he'll be mad at me.
Oh, that's all right, Derek.
He cried a little bit, but that's okay. That was his natural reaction. That was Derek. And that's really the reaction I thought he would have.
Sergeant Lewis Grady surprising his little girl and son.
That's awesome.
Twins, Kaylee and Logan thought their father wouldn't be home for weeks.
Come here, buddy.
Until they got this emotional reunion.
I missed you guys so much.
A moment, 9 months in the making, timed perfectly. Not a dry eye in the stands as father and daughter were reunited again.